5 hidden settings that kills your battery on iPhone. A lot of iPhone users complain about battery not lasting long or battery draining very fast. It is not because your iPhone battery is that bad. It is because there are some settings you need to put in place and you ignore them. In this video, I will show you 5 settings you need to put in place to maximize the use of your battery on your iPhone. The first one is background refresh. A lot of apps refresh on background without using them, and when this is happen, it takes more of your battery. So what are the solution is simple and easy. Go to the settings button, tap on it, scroll to the general button and tap on it, then tap on background refresh apps, tap on this. Now you have a lot of apps here. You can see I have tons of apps here that are using my battery. So all you have to do is to manually turn off all these settings except the one you normally use. So let's manually turn off these settings, so to be sure that the one you are not using is turned off, so you allow them to refresh when you want to use them. That is number one thing you need to do to keep your battery in the maximum best use. Number 2, auto brightness and high brightness. So if you allow your iPhone to auto brightness, this will always change or trigger the full screen whenever you swap position or location or environment, and this consume more of your battery. What is the way out? Tap on settings button, then tap on accessibility. Go ahead and tap on display and text size. So display and text size, tap on it. Now from here, locate and tap on auto brightness to toggle it off. If your on is on, then make sure you toggle it off. Now you need to come over to this place and manually adjust the brightness of your screen from the control panel to your text. This is very crucial as it helps to reduce the amount of battery you use on your iPhone. Now this takes us to our next step, which is number 3, automatic Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Yes, if this button is enabled or is allow your device, is going to scan for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth each of the time your phone is on, and this is also consuming more of the battery on your device. The way out is very simple. Tap on the settings button, then go ahead and tap on privacy and security from the option you see here. Tap on it. Now that you tap on that, go ahead and tap on location service. Now scroll down to the base of this place until you see system service. Tap on it. Now under system service, locate networking and wireless. So let's locate that option, networking and wireless. Tap on this button to toggle it off. Turning off location for networking and wireless may affect Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and ultra wideband performance. So tap on it. This will help reduce the amount of battery consumed by your iPhone while scanning for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So if you have watched to this moment, shout out to you guys, and if you've not subscribed, please take a few seconds, tap on the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Number 4 setting you need to put in place that you ignore is called location service. Now to do this, location service use most of your iPhone battery, and if you ignore these settings, you will always go around with your power bank, even with your charger, to charge your iPhone. Now the way out is simple. Tap on the settings icon. Once tap on the settings icon, scroll up to the privacy and security, then you tap on it. Once tap on it, then tap on location services, the one at the top. Other location services, make sure that here the apps you have here, you turn them to never. You can see, or you allow them to use your location when you are using them. Like this one now, compass is allowed when I'm using compass, and my map is allowed when I'm using map. You can see that most of these devices here, the location services is turned off. So make sure you turn on this setting to be sure that your iPhone maximize the power on the battery. The last but not the least setting you to turn off here is your signal weakness. If the signal on your iPhone is very weak, then do me a favor, turn off the airplay mode by swapping that from the control panel. Then tap on the airplay mode and turn it off, and wait till you get a very good environment or location that you know that the network and signal is okay. Then turn it off and turn it on. Once turn it on, then this will reduce the amount of battery your iPhone consumed or used in searching for network and strong services. If you put all these 5 settings in place, I'm very sure your iPhone battery will last longer. If you enjoy what I've explained and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.